welcome to my channel. So today I have another Halloween tutorial. Woo! And today it's going to be a half jack-o'-lantern, half makeup. And I'm so excited for this look. This look is so different from what I usually do. I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone and just have a great content for you guys to watch for Halloween. So thank you. Stay tuned. So as you all can see, my eyebrows are already done. In my previous video I did show kind of how I do my eyebrows, but guys, comment in the comment section if you would like to see me do a tutorial, a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So just a reminder for you guys, I'm going to be doing a half jack-o'-lantern, half beat face makeup look for you guys today. And I'm gonna start off with this side just to get it out of the way. After I do this eyeshadow look, I'm going to do my foundation, my highlight, and then I'm gonna get started on the jack-o'-lantern look. So I'm excited. Let's go. Start off with this brown ray hair and the James Charles palette. I know I used this palette last time, but I'm really loving this palette, so I'm gonna use it again. So yeah guys, I'm going to be taking that color and I'm going to be going back and forth, making sure that it's spread out evenly and everything is blended. Now I'm taking the shadow brush and I'm using the red color and I'm just going to be going into my crease to create a darker shade under the lighter shade that I just applied for you guys. So now I'm going to be taking my L.A Girl concealer in the color beige to create a cut crease at the eye. Beige color, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease section just to create a more neutral in-tone color. So now I'm going to be taking this gold glitter from NYX Cosmetics and I'm going to apply that on the line of the crease. I'm going to be taking this jet black color and applying it onto the lid of my eye. So now I'm going to be taking this black eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to be using that to create a cap. So now guys, here I'm applying the primer, the soft matte primer from Fenty, and then I'm going to go in to do my foundation. Also Fenty. sure that you wet your beauty blender before applying your foundation. It is not going to go on correctly if you do not wet it first. Y'all, I thought I was recording just now and it wasn't recording, so I don't know what I didn't catch on film, so I'm just gonna explain it really quick. So what I did was I used my concealer to outline the triangle so I know where I was putting the shadow around the shape. So I used the orange and the red colors from the James Charles palette, and then I just continue to blend. Now I'm about to go in with so now guys, I'm going to be going over the triangle shape with the black eyeliner and then the black eyeshadow. Jacko-Lantern mouthpiece onto my face and shading it in black. So here, I'm also creating another Jack-O-Lantern mouthpiece onto the forehead, to my lower nose line, to the bottom of my lip, to create the division between the beat face and the Jack-O-Lantern side. I just want to thank everybody for tuning in again to another one of my Halloween tutorials. I really had fun making it and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.